how to host website on free hosting. This is a step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so just go to Google and then type in 000 web host, just like this one, then hit enter. So when it comes, just select the official site of web host, just like this one, and then click on it. It will bring you right here to their platform, and then when you come down here, you see that it is powered by HostingGap, so it makes it legitimate platforms to be. So over here, just come and then select their free web hosting, and then this is what you are going to get. Stay with me with this video, and then I'm going to show you how to get 10 gigabytes this storage for your website. Okay, so all that you have to do is just come here where it says create free website, and then come and click on it. Just go straight to their free web hosting offer, whereby you pay $0 per month, and then all that you have to do is just come in and click on sign up. So when you click on the sign up, just come in and then come and go through the short process of signing up by simply putting your email address, you put in your password, then you repeat the password, and then simply come in and click on sign up. You can also log in directly with your Gmail account by simply coming and then click on login with Gmail, okay, or Google. Then simply come here and then come and choose your Gmail account by simply selecting the account that you want to log in with. Then just come in and put in your phone number. They are going to send you a code. Just put it right here and then verify. Okay. After that, just come here where it says continue. Just come and then click on the continue. And then you might come across this problem. Don't worry. What you have to do is to simply come and then log in again by simply coming here where it says sign in and then click on it. So what you have to do is to simply put in your email address here, put in the password, and then click on log in. Okay. Or you can simply also come here and then come and simply log in with your Google, okay, by simply clicking on this. Then you'll be signed in directly to the website platform. So as you can see, we can then simply come and then click on the start now and then create our website. Okay, so to create your website, what you have to do is that you first have to come here and then put in your website name. So after putting in the website name, this will be added to it for it to become a subdomain for you. Okay, then come and put in a password, and then come and repeat the password. When you are done, simply come here and then come and click on the create. Okay, so let me put in this website name. I'm going to select Blogging Tools Plus, and then what I have to do is to simply come here and then put in the password. Then I come here and then repeat the password. Then to know that my password matches, I can always check it from here. It says password match. Okay, then I have to come in and click on create. But when you click on create, you might come across this. It says that the name contains words that have been blacklisted. Don't worry, even when you change the website name, you still have that same thing pop up. So what you have to do now is that you have to clear the website name because it is optional. Okay, so just highlight it, clear it, and then don't put anything there. Then simply come down here where it says the create, come and click on the create. So after clicking on the create, over here, as you can see, new website has been created for us. So what we have to do is that we have to choose our preference. Okay, we have two ways that we can go. The first one that they recommend is that we can install WordPress from scratch by simply coming to this one and then select it. Besides that, we can also upload our website. If you have the website already, you can simply come and select this one and then upload it to the platform. Okay, and it is free of charge. But since we are building the website from scratch, let's come and then select this one to install WordPress. Okay, so to install the WordPress, we have to create our login details by simply coming here and then select the language. If you like English or not, just come here and then put in the administrator email address, and then come and put your password here. Keep the password and then the administrator account, and then come and click on continue. Okay, so wait for the WordPress to install for you, and as you can see, it says that WordPress has been installed successfully. That is good. What we have to do is that, as you can see, we are almost done. What you have to do is to simply log into the WordPress by simply coming here and then come and select this one. It says go to WordPress. Okay, just come and then click on it. So when you click on it, you see that we are in our dashboard. We are in our 00 web host dashboard. Just come and then click on this link here, okay, and then your website will be open for you. So we have successfully created our website on a free hosting without paying anything. So as you can see, hello world, our first post is here. We can click on the edit and then edit our first post. The most important thing is the SSL certificate. So when you click on this one, you will see that our subdomain is here and then the connection is secured. When you click on the right arrow, it says that the connection is secured and then our certificate is valid. So our SSL certificate was installed automatically for us. What you have to do now is to copy the URL by simply right clicking on it and then come here and then click on copy. And all that you have to do is just go to Google, type in the URL or paste it, and then come and add /wp-admin to it, and then hit enter. Okay, so this is how to log into your website. All that you have to do is just come and put in the email address here, and then come and put in the password that you created, and then come and click on log in. So when you click on it, you'll be logged in directly to your WordPress dashboard. So just like this one, what you have to do now is to install a theme, okay? By simply going to the appearance and then just come here where we have the theme and then come and click on it. So to add a new theme, just locate the add new theme just like this one and then come and click on add new theme. And over here under the popular themes, you can see any of the themes, but one of the popular themes that most bloggers go for is this Astra, okay? So you can simply come and then preview the Astra by clicking on the preview. And this is how the website looks like when you install the Astra, okay? So to install the Astra, what you have to do is to simply come here where we have the install and then come and click on it. So as you can see, it is being installed and just wait for it to install, then we activate it. So to activate it, just come here and then click on the activate, okay? So as you can see, it is being done. What you have to do is to just go back to your dashboard, locate the Astra just like this one, then come and click on the dashboard. So you'll be brought right here, and then over here, just come and then click on start customizing, and you can customize your website to fit your preference. You can change the logo, you can change anything that you see here and then customize it just for your own preference, okay? So to customize it, just come and then click on the edit button and then you can put whatever thing that you want right here. So I said that I'm going to show you how to get the 10 GB disk storage for your website. So I'm having that video on the channel, just go and then watch it. So when you are done, just come in and come and click on the publish after editing and then customize it to fit your preference, okay? So this is how to host your website on a free hosting platform. So like the video and then see you in my next video.